What's up, traders? Welcome to live trading session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I'll be doing a complete analysis as well as live trading in this live market. So if you wanna join, if you wanna trade with us live in this session, then make sure you stick till the end. And also, before I begin, make sure you smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. This is every day. You saw that there is an enormous value in this live session. Almost every session we have secured successful trade. Last session, as you remember, that I have given a trade on Eurocad, which was a successful winning trade. From here, if you remember that trade was a successful trade. The previous one on USD was successful trade. Almost every session, most of the trade in this live session are successful. So if you want to take that advantage, don't miss out any part of this session. And also you have an opportunity to interact with me in this live session, live chat area. You can write down your favorite pairs to analyze. I'll go through one by one all of them. Okay, so let me see what you guys and girls are up to. I saw that many of you have joined. Michael, good morning. Grandson, hello. Let's start with Gbpusd. Gbpusd is strongly bullish. We have secured one trade yesterday on Gbpusd. Also today we secured a massive trade on Gbpusd. We'll discuss all of them, how we did it, so that you can learn from it. Drew NFP today. NFP today? I don't think NFP today. Anyway, we'll see what you are saying about. Kakulan, hi. Dahanaskar, thank you for joining. Mary, good evening, sir. Alzaf, Buma, very good. Khalid, hi, coach. USD CHF, yep. Khalid will look at it. Jabir, hi, sir. How are you? Helen, USD CAD, GBP USD. And hello, sir, tuned in GBP AUD. I will look at it. Jonathan, good afternoon, sir. Awesome, really good to see all of you are here, and I know that many of you already on the way. Samuel, GBP USD, yep, we'll look at all of them. So first, let's start with Gbpusd. It's strongly bullish. This trade we have secured today. This is a massive trade. If you look at the lower time frame, today with our VIP members, we have secured that trade. Let me explain why I have taken this trade. First of all, because it's an analysis part of the game, so that you know how these things work, how you can secure this kind of trade. It's almost 120 or 30 pip trade. We have closed that trade. We could hold it for bigger profit target, even more, but I closed it because I want to give some profit. It's a good profit to our VIP members. 120 pip only from this trade, because JPO is getting weaker and weaker. From Gbpusd yesterday we have secured this one, so back to back quite a few winning trades. So let me tell you now why I have opened this JPY trade. As you have seen yesterday, after I just post the analysis, the price started to move up according to the analysis that probably you have seen that. So now, when this candle was forming, I have entered the trade. That is what you need to see. You don't need a bunch of indicator to throw in your chart. Just simple price action, guys and girls, will give you everything you need to be profitable in the market. Look at this price action here. First of all, you see this one. This is a strongly bullish market. Okay, first thing you need to keep in mind, when you see a strongly bullish market, and then you saw this one basically cross this candle completely to the downside, and there is a long wick has been created. That's kind of thing you need to look at. The first thing, it has created a false breakout of this level. Secondly, it has a long wick at the bottom. Thirdly, the trend is up, strongly bullish. That's it. We went long from here. I have sent this trade to our VIP members, and we secured that profit. Let me give you a quickly screenshot so that you can see that so that you can learn from it. It's a great learning. Gbpusd you can match with the real chart. Gjpy is also we hit the profit target, and Gbpusd we close with 120 pip profit target, guys and girls. So this is it. You don't need a big indicators, large indicators, magic indicators. I saw that in YouTube some guys, and really funny, there's a lot of indicators. There's millions of indicators. You don't need. You see my chart, just moving averages, that's it, and pure price action. The more cleaner chart is, the better decision you can make. So always you see GBP is getting stronger, JPO is weaker, so JPO is getting stronger and stronger, and that's the end of the story. We took that trade, and we have a good one. So GBP, CAD, JPO are doing the same thing, bullish. CAD, JPO also we have secured that, as I told you. Now at this point, the only way you see, the thing is that why the price is moving in that way is because of the, you see the price is a very strongly bullish momentum. CAD is due to the oil price increase. CAD is crazily bullish, and because CAD is going high, you see there is nothing on the left, and we might see a boom, big move on the in this monthly time frame. So what is the next point we can go for long with CAD JPO or GBP JPO? You see, this is a aggressively bullish market. Okay, so we need a retracement. Probably on the 4 hour is the pardon me, the best time for retracement is we need to wait for, you see, there is, when you see strong bullish momentum, wait for price to create like this slow retracement, buy. Whenever you see slow retracement, buy. Now at this point the price is really aggressive, and in case the price break down, okay, test this 20 period moving average, I will be another strong buyer. Okay, so that's what I do. When I see a strong market suddenly break down, that's a chance that you will go again up, and that is where I will be buying again. And if you look at the news calendar, Forex Factory, what you see that tomorrow Forex Factory is where, if you look at the calendar, let me see the calendar. So tomorrow, that means on Thursday 9th of June, we have Euro news release at 9:45 p.m. in Sydney time. So this news release will be in this session. 2 news release tomorrow, Euro. So make sure you don't miss tomorrow's session as well. There will be incredible trading opportunity. I'm 100% sure that there will be trade in this session. So make sure you subscribe now, smash the like button now to help this stream, and stick till the end. Let's see what else you guys and girls are requesting to me, and I will be always here to discuss all of them. So in the meantime, let's see. George, hi Forex user, I am your new fan. Can you please shed some light on Gbpusd? Thank you, George. I'm here to shed light and to give you as much value as possible. Thank you for being a fan, and I'm really happy that you guys and girls are really helping this stream. George, hello, any thoughts on Euro AUD? Thank you. Yeah, we'll look at it. Dennis, Pure FX, good PM sir, thank you. Sharafat Hussein, sir, please give me long trade. Yeah, no problem. If any parity, yeah. So gold, okay. So let's see now. I see a little bit of error is showing on buffering. So if you guys and girls can't see me properly, definitely let me know in the chat section so that I know that if there is any issue in the stream, I need to fix it. Ibrahim, good afternoon. Alzav John, pips means not much, as you know, it's risk reward percentage. John says pip doesn't mean anything. It's a risk reward. Absolutely, no doubt about it, but sometime people need to know the pips. Okay, so when let's say a person is asking me how, almost, you know, so far, trust me, so far that many question came to me that no one ever asked me how much percentage we made. Everybody asked for pip. So because everybody asked for pip, I need to talk about in terms of pip. That's the reason. Alan James, Euro, AUD, yeah, we'll look at it. Gbpusd. So we have quite a few requests on Gbpusd, and then we'll go one by one, all of them. Let's see Gbpusd. Okay, Gbpusd is moving in a sideways. Okay, I really try to stay away from market that is moving in a sideways. Gbpusd gold moving in a sideways. Better I pay attention on GBP/JPY. Let me tell you Gbpusd what might happen, what is my thought. Starting with the monthly. Okay, so let me tell you, see the previous months there is a doji. Okay, this month so far price came here, and then now we see a little bit of bullish move. But to me, what it might do, GBP/JPY, it might just move in a sideways for an extended period of time. Even this monthly candle could be a doji. Okay, so let me tell you what on the weekly. So weekly we saw that after this previous week's bearish candle, this week the price now here. So what might happen is, I think that Gbpusd finally might test this weekly resistance at some point during the news release or somewhere, and then could drop. I don't think that Gbpusd will go bullish from here. Okay, unless if it tested, the bias is bearish. But because it's moving in a narrow range, I will not be impatient in this one. Better I will be waiting for a test on the resistance, because the price is really in a sideways. Okay, so you saw there was a false breakout to the downside of this daily level of support with this quite a few candle. Basically it tested this previous resistance here, you see exactly here as a support, and then we saw a strong bullish candle. But it doesn't mean that it will be, you know, bullish here. I think that it will finally, you know, do something like that. We'll go to this resistance. This is the weekly resistance here, and then from here we might see that GBPUSD is dropping. So this is daily. If we look at the 4 hour, something like that. But at this point I will not be trading GBPUSD until I see that the price is testing this weekly resistance. Looks like that, you see this consolidation on GBPUSD. If you look at this part only, you see what you're seeing, that the price is creating a series of higher lows. So it might go something like that. Okay, we'll come back here, looks like to me, and then we might see that a drop. So this resistance is basically the weekly resistance. All right, so what I think that, let me go back to weekly again. That's what you need to look at, always higher time frame. I think that GBPUSD will come back again to this weekly resistance here, exactly here, and then from here we might see that GBPUSD is dropping. So daily, now if you go back to 4 hour again, so what I think GBPUSD will do something like that. Okay, as I told you, you see the creating a higher high, higher low, will create another impulse, will go there, and then will drop. So with that being said, this is not favorite market of me now at this point, so I will be keeping aside. But if you are interested on trading, I will not recommend to buy now until, because it's a long-term bullish, it's going in a sideways. So always in market you will see some sideways movement, and when there is sideways, just try to stay away. Everywhere you see see the price was moving in a sideways and then broke down. So wait for a trend to be started, or trade in a market which is trending. I will show you quite a few market trending. NZD-CAD is trending. Okay, you see NZD-CAD is trending. The price on the monthly support, but is still it's a bearish market. Okay, and NZD-CAD to me is still bearish. If this one, let me see on the monthly support, but it's bearish market. Okay, weekly strongly bearish, daily also bearish. On the 4-hour it's bearish. So if, let's say, if this one looks like that it will close as a bearish candle, it could be a selling opportunity on NZD-CAD. Okay, so let me tell you what market are trending. AUD-CAD looks like trending, AUD Swiss franc trending. See, at this point to me the best pairs to trade is yen pairs, guys and girls. Yen is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. So let's say USD CHF also good pairs. We have opened a trade on USD CHF buy trade. Okay, you see this is a nice trending market, and we have bought USD CHF from here. Okay, our stop loss is here. This is also the trade that I have sent to our VIP members. It's almost where we have bought. I sincerely believe that that one also will be a winning trade, and I have almost 1 to 2 rigs to reward on this one. So USD CHF, USD CNH also trending. Okay, I have posted analysis. USD ZAR trending, nice bearish candle. You see after this bearish angle for USD ZAR is dropping. Let me explain USD ZAR. So that's what I do normally, that the pairs that is giving me trading opportunity, I focus on that and forget the rest. Now let me quickly give you USD ZAR analysis. For those who are interested on USD ZAR, could be a good one to look at. Starting with the monthly, you see after the on the monthly, USD ZAR has created a lower high, double top with a lower high, could be a sign of bigger trend change. Okay, first of all on the monthly. So when you see monthly this kind of price action, it's good one. Weekly, after the doji, we saw that the price is dropping. Now we might see that even a massive drop could be to this, at least to this support level. Going to the daily, we saw that daily the price was moving in this channel. Okay, creating a series of lower high and lower low, and now we see that now breaking out of this channel means that we might see some melting down. Okay, so now going to the 4-hour, the previous 4-hour, the price has created this bearish engulfer from this 20 period moving average, nicely trending channel, downward channel trend, the price breaking down. That is what I look at. When you see the compare the, let me take a screenshot and let me compare you with GBP USD and this one. Okay, so that you know side by side actually what I am talking about. It doesn't mean that you always trade exotic pair in any pair. So now see side by side. Okay, let me show you side by side so that you know. All right, so what do I mean by this kind of things? Okay, where is the way this is happening? Okay, so look at GBP USD, look at USD ZAR. You see nice trending market, price action bearish, the price moving down, created a head and shoulder, dropping. Look at the GBP USD market, purely sideways. Okay, you have no way to predict the market. You see the purely sideways. You see the price is in a sideways. So that's why always find a market that is trending before making any trading decision. So with that being said, let's see what's happened. So GBP USD, it's here on. So I lost my mind 1 second. So I was analyzing USD ZAR. Okay, so USD ZAR looks like that it might just break down from here, and that could be good one if because when I was analyzing, the market was here. Definitely if you have seen that you took the trade, that's a good one, isn't it? Starting from here, stop loss here, could be already more than 1 to 1 rigs to reward already reached. So this one with USD. Let me see what you guys and girls are up to. Pure FX USD CHF, sir. Yeah, we'll look at it. Grandson, which two moving are you using? Grandson, I'm using 20 period and 10 period exponential moving averages. Michael Obi, hello Michael Obi, thank you. Pure FX USD CHF. Shahanawaz AUD CAD, we'll look at it. Chidittu Euro GBP, sir. Bash, we'll look at it. Where are you from, brother? I am from Sydney, Australia. Brandon Bernard Wenti, hi. GBPUSD, sir, please. Pound, hello boss. Pound, thank you boss. Bernard Otino Euro AUD King Desta, hello coach. Please tell me, can I buy GBPUSD, sir? As I told you, GBPUSD, I'm not fan of buying at this time GBPUSD until I see a trend change. So let's see what else. Prashant, Michael, pips matter, average true range different from different market. Yeah, that's true. Some names difficult to pronounce, sorry about that. Edit to GBPJPY, please. We have already discussed GBPJPY. Keaton, good evening, sir. Thank you, Keaton. How do you take screenshot on the trading view? You can just use your screenshot tool, use this one, snipping tool, and take a screenshot like that. Okay, like this. Yeah, that's easy, isn't it? So Keaton, Mr. Sir, please. NZUSD, Kakulan, Euro USD, please. Saeed Alam, Gold, please. Kakulan, Euro AUD. Okay, so I got quite a few requests. Let's go through all of them one by one. Let's find out. We discussed already GBPJPY, strongly bullish market, and also have shown you the trade that we have secured on GBPJPY. So hopefully that. Now USD CHF, okay, USD CHF, let's do a full analysis. This one we are running currently, USD CHF trade. Let's do a full analysis, then we'll look at it. First of all, monthly USD CHF. Okay, so what you might say, why should you look at higher time frame? You are not trading on the monthly. Sometime, you know, when I started my trading, I asked my mentor the same thing, that why should I look at the monthly? It's so boring, isn't it? Monthly time frame. But monthly you will be looking not to trade but to see the direction. See, there are two things. Let's say you are riding on a taxi. Okay, now when you are riding on a taxi, you need two things: is which way the taxi will go and where you will get in the taxi. Two things. Okay, in trading you need to understand what happens in trading. In trading you need always two things to be sure. One is you need to understand the direction in the market, which way market is heading. Secondly, where you will be entering the trade. Even if you know the direction 100% sure, if you don't know where to enter a trade, it could be a losing trade. On the other hand, if you exactly found a nice candlestick pattern, bearish engulfer, bullish engulfer, but if you don't know which way the market is heading, you will be losing trade. So that's very, very important that you understand which way the market is heading and where do you enter the trade. Now the only way you know the direction in the market is from the higher time frame, monthly, weekly mostly, and some cases daily. And lower time frame, 4 hour, hourly, or even 15 minutes you can use for finding an entry. And that is the reason, that is the perfect way to understand the market. And that's how the big boys, hedge funds, many other big boys, they analyze and trade in the market. So with that being said, USD CHF monthly, it's a bullish market, right? It's a strongly bullish market. We have seen that previous months, as soon as the market closed here, okay, this current month the price couldn't break the previous month's low. You see, that's a sign of strong bullish momentum. It could be that this candle slowly is creating a new higher high. Okay, so USD CHF bullish even in my weekly forex forecast. That's what I told you exactly, and the prices did as it is. Smash the like button, everybody, and also hit the red subscribe button if you haven't done yet, so that you don't miss out this kind of content. Now USD CHF, if you look at the weekly, you see this is a nice bullish market, guys. There was a long consolidation and acceleration. Every week the price was creating a series of higher high and higher low, and finally USD CHF broke to the upside. After the breakout as a healthy market, the price came down to this level, retraced, and then now we see another impulse. So with the another impulse, we can expect USD CHF now to continue even to create new higher high. So weekly, monthly bullish. Going to the daily, previous day we saw the price has created this shooting star, a long wick candle with a body. See guys, what kind of opportunity when you see this kind of candlestick. See, this kind of candle in any time frame is a nice candle to trade. Okay, but it has to be in a right place. Now let me ask you a question. Okay, let me ask you a question, and then you will know what I mean. Okay, let me give you two scenario. All right, let me draw this candle. Let's say the market is like this. Okay, and now you saw this candle like that. I will ask you a question now, get ready. Once it like this, another scenario is the market is like this. Okay, not like that. Let me see 1 second. The market is, let's say, like this, falling market. Okay, suddenly you saw a candle like this, exactly the same way. Now, can anybody tell me, let's say this one is A and this one is B. Okay, now tell me A and B, which one is bullish, which one is bearish, and then I will give you an example later. Okay, this is the question that you will answer in the chat area. Clearly see, let me explain again. This is a bullish market creating a series of higher high and higher low, and then you saw a candle like this on a level of support. This is a bearish market. The price is creating a series of lower high and lower low, and suddenly you saw a candle like this on the bottom. So which one is bullish and which one is bearish? Then I will explain later. Okay, so with that being said, let's delete all of them, and after I see your answer I will come back to this point again. Now this one created same kind of pattern. We saw that after that a strong move happened. Now at this point the price is coming for retracement, and I think that USD CHF will continue to rise from here. Let's see what happened next. Okay, so let's see gold, guys and girls. Some of you are requesting gold. You see that gold, if you look at the weekly, you said gold has created a doji on the weekly time frame. Now after this previous week's doji, this week you see the price came exactly around, let's say, a 50% of this week, of the weekly week, and now we see a rise. What I think that this week also gold might create a doji. So to complete this doji, we might see now a bullish move on gold. Okay, but let's see what happened and then we'll decide. But I think that, as I told you in all my analysis, gold might go up, will go up to this level, and then will create probably a head and shoulder or whatever, but it might create a pattern like this. So let's say it's also in a sideway. Okay, gold, Gbpusd in a sideway, euro dollar, I think that one also trying to do the same thing, but looks like that euro is a bit stronger now. because of tomorrow's, as I told you, tomorrow there will be 2 news release on euro, so that can give us a nice trading opportunity. This is daily time frame. Euro on the daily, euro dollar looks bullish, all other euro pair looks bullish. Okay, 4 hour, we saw that after this 4 hour we saw a candle now going up, but I still don't think that euro dollar will go rise from here. If it rise, that's good, but to me it's still in a sideway. Okay, it might still go there and then retreat back, could retreat back, or it could break out somewhere tomorrow and then could return back. So let's see what happened. But now here on the daily, this is a bullish pattern. Okay, see, 20 period moving average tested nicely, created a doji. Today we see a bullish pattern. So you see that against dollar, GBP, euro behaving a little bit in a different way. Okay, but Gbpusd, what it did is that it has created a higher low, higher high, trying to create a channel like that. Okay, let's see what happens. Sideway, I'm not commenting on euro dollar and Gbpusd yet. Euro looks very, very bullish than even GBP, but USD, let's see what happened, then we'll look at it. USD is always stronger so far, and I think that it will continue to be stronger. USD CNHs, that's what today I posted analysis on. Let me tell you quickly on USD CNHs, then we'll go back to your request. USD CNHs, if I look at the monthly, you see sometime you'll see that I also like you guys and girls who want to analyze some pairs, I have also my own opinion. With that, I share my opinion. USD CNHs looks to me bullish. The reason is this is the monthly chart. You see the previous months has created this bullish shooting star. At some point it was trying to drop, and then from the monthly support we saw that USD CNH has created a higher low, and then it started to push up. Now at this point, this month, we already see that a move started to the upside. Now because there is a long week, okay, and I think that this week will be filled with this month's candle. Now at least we can say that, let's say, even if it in the first move, if it goes around 50% of this week on the monthly, that is also a good trading opportunity. Going to the weekly, the same thing. So this, you see, there is a long week on the weekly. That week has not been tested. So with that said, USD CNHs has a gap to fill. Now going to the daily, okay, so daily we saw that back-to-back 2 dojis on the daily created a higher low, and then the price is creating this bullish pattern. So that's also a bullish price action. Going to the 4 hour now, you see the price has created a double bottom, broke above, again came down, tested this previous resistance as a support, and we saw a bullish candle has been created back-to-back 2. See, this is what you need to look at. Look at the green candles, strong green body. Look at current. This is after 53 minutes this candle is going to close. Now if this one closes like that, okay, I will immediately open buy position, because if this one closes like as a doji, high chance that even the price may not break this low. Instead it might go up. Let's see, in this live session I might give you an a trade signal. So I see that guys, can you hear me? I see error in my I don't know why this keep happening every day. I see there is an error. Can you see and hear me, guys and girls? Can anybody let me know? Okay, very good. Okay, so there is a question from Target Miss. Yeah, Target Miss saying that saying USD pair bullish, then saying Euro USD looks bullish. Come on, man. Okay, let me explain that. Okay, I'm not saying. See, one thing you need to keep in mind when you see that USD pair bullish, Euro USD bullish, because there is two things here. You need to understand it. See, GBP JPY, okay, let's say keep GBP JPY. GBP JPY, when you see that GBP JPY is bullish, at the same time you might see that GBP USD is bearish. Okay, in the past this is what happened. GBP JPY is all the time bullish, but GBP USD is all the time bearish. The reason is because it's not about one currency, it's a multiple currencies. Okay, so let's say euro dollar is bullish and USD CHF could be bullish. Okay, euro dollar could be bullish, at the same time USD CHF could be bullish. That means that the reason is, if euro get relatively very strong, okay, and USD remain strong, then what will happen? Let's say euro strength is 10, if you give some points. Okay, let's say USD strength is 7. Okay, so if USD strength 7, euro strength 10, then euro dollar will go up, right? Now consider USD CHF. Now let's say, as you have seen that USD strength is 7, let's say CHF strength is 5. Okay, then what will go? USD CHF will go, right? That's what you need to understand. It's a relative movement. It's not about only if USD gets stronger, it will get stronger against everything. No, you see, sometimes USD gets stronger, but USD CAD is always falling. You see, USD is stronger in almost all the time, but USD CAD was falling strongly because CAD is very, very strong, even stronger than USD. So that's what you need to understand, that euro dollar could be bullish and at the same time USD CHF could be bullish. Okay, so keep in mind that, because you see the dollar yen is always bullish, right? At the same time, sometimes you'll see that euro dollar is bullish. That's what happening. You see euro dollar is rising, USD CHF also rising. So you need to keep in mind it's a relative movement. Not only one currency pair will be bullish against everything. You need to understand the relative strength, relative movement. Okay, hopefully you guys and girls understood. Okay, so John says, where are you reading the strength number? You are keeping a secret. Okay, John, it's from experience. I'm not, see, if you look at the DXY, you can see the strength, but you have to see the strength come from the relative movement. I'm not reading any strength meter from any secret place. Is, you know what I do? When I look at all the pairs, then I have a guess of what's happening. How do I know? Let's say Euro GBP. Okay, if I look at Euro GBP, and then at the same time, if I see that, let's say Euro JPY, and then I look at Euro dollar, okay, and then I look at other pairs, then I get an idea of what currency is going stronger than the other. Okay, that's how. But I gave you an idea of what things happens. Okay, NZD CAD looks to me bearish. I think I might open a sell on NZD CAD. Let's see. NZD JPY is bullish. NZD USD. I'm not fan on NZD USD now, but NZD CAD is looks good because CAD is very, very weaker. So let me see. In the meantime, you currency strength meter live, very good. Wild, very good. Kakulan, yes, thank you. Keaton, you are loud and clear. Sometime in my end it shows an error. That's why now I can't see my face. Anyway, you guys and girls can see my face. That's better. That's more important than I can see it. Very good. So Euro, hello, natural gas, please, if possible. Muhammad Al Mansouri asked for natural gas. We'll look at it. Winterfall Bunny, euro dollar, please. I am from Thailand. Okay, so euro dollar, as I told you, euro dollar showing some bullish movement, but I don't think that could be a bullish move. It even could be a false breakout, and then we could see a drop again. Okay, so because tomorrow there will be news release, that's why the price is breaking up on euro dollar. But I think that let's see what happened. Okay, when there is a news release coming up, the price moves like that. That's an opportunity again for buying or selling. Okay, so gold, euro dollar, Gbpusd is moving in a sideways. Aussie dollar also moving in a sideways, except USD CHF, because CHF got weaker. USD CHF in a bullish move, and dollar yen. So if anyone trying to trade on dollar, I will say think of USD CAD, dollar yen, and USD CHF. Okay, euro dollar, Gbpusd currently in a sideways. Until I see a clear direction, I'm not gonna do anything. CAD JPY, strong bullish market. Okay, CAD CHF, very strong bullish market, and CAD CHF giving actually another trading opportunity. Now after this candle close, CAD CHF might give us another buying opportunity. Okay, so it is also a bullish market, very strongly bullish market. We might see a retracement, as you have seen the price is heading this resistance, but still it's a bullish market. Okay, so euro AUD, euro CAD, all of them are bullish. So let me see what you guys and girls are up to. Hello sir, I tried Eurojpy and Gbpusd, both goes the same direction. That's good or bad? Explain. Thank you. Mr. Studio, hello sir, trade Eurojpy and Gbpusd, both goes the same direction. That's good or bad? It's neither good or bad. They are going in the same direction, means JPY is getting weaker. So that is the reason why GBP/JPY and Euro/JPY is going in the same direction. Euro a bit stronger. So tomorrow there will be news release on Euro. So Euro is a bit more stronger. Euro/JPY also stronger. Euro/JPY on a retracement, I will be considering buying. If you look at the monthly, let me give you analysis. So Euro/JPY, I think that it will hit this monthly resistance, even it might break. So after the previous months, this pin bar, okay, on Euro/JPY monthly, we saw that the price now aggressively pushing high, and I think that it will continue to rise. Weekly, back to back, every week we saw that a strong move on Euro/JPY. This is a perfectly bullish market. You see, market structure is the king. Price moved up, retraced again, moving up. I think that it will continue to go up. Going to the daily, every day the price is smoothly rising. Now at some point we might see little retracement, and that is where we can find an opportunity to go long with Euro/JPY. 4 hour after the doji, couple of dodges created another move. Now at this point, what I will be waiting for Euro/JPY for a retracement like that, a bit longer or long week. As soon as I will see a retracement, I will go long with Euro/JPY. So Euro/JPY, GBP/JPY, both are bullish, guys and girls. So where do you read the currency strength FX wizard? Chidittu, I myself a currency strength meter. Okay, so by looking at the market, I can understand what is happening. Okay, I don't need exact currency strength meter. I use price action and relative movement, then I understand which is stronger and which is weaker, and then I trade. Okay, see, my currency strength meter is this. Let me show you. You see, yesterday I posted analysis on Gbpusd, as I told you, and this one is a massive trade we closed today. You see, this is my currency strength meter. Look at this one here, Gbpusd. You see, let me replay this. When this candle was forming, I was recording my analysis on Gbpusd, and at the same time I have posted this trade signal to our VIP members. So I know that this is going to go up. This is my strength. What is the strength? Look at this. You see, everyone, even small boy, know that this is a bullish market. Okay, that's bullish. Now when you see this kind of bullish market, only think of buying. Now you found the direction. Okay, trend is your direction. Now where to enter? See, you have to patiently wait for this kind of candle to be formed in a bullish market. Many people will make a mistake in this candle. You'll say, wow, that's a top, the price in resistance, and there is a hanging man. Wow, Forex Wizard told that when you see a lower low and lower high and lower low, hanging man on a level of resistance, sell. Let's do it. And then you sold everything, including house, car, clothes, everything, and then the prices started to push up. Okay, that is where everybody get caught. So you need to understand how the price action is forming. See, what is the reason behind particular candlestick is forming? You need to ask yourself. See, reasoning is the most important part of any area in your life. Why? You have to ask yourself a question. Why this candle has been formed? See, you need to ask this kind of question. Why? Okay. Why? Where? W. Okay. And when? Okay. Very few, almost I think less than 1% trader think about when. But this is very, very, very important, that when this candle has formed. Okay, we think that when we see price action, okay, price action, but when? How do I know when? Let me tell you. I will come back to this one again. See, Gbpusd in my live stream, when I was live stream, if you have seen that, definitely you saw that when I was doing the live stream, this candle was forming and I was closing my live stream. I said that if this one closes like that, Gbpusd will drop. And look at next what happened. You see, this is what happened. We secured that profit with our VIP members, and the reason, you can review the live stream with this date. You can see that. See, this is the point of when, like what time is this candle is forming is very important, and this when comes from experience. So these three, why, where, and when. Now let me tell you again. So let me give you an answer of this W's in this one. Now first of all, first answer why this candle has formed like that. The reason is, you see, there is a wickless candle here, the previous one. The price broke that wickless candle. What does it mean? It means that there was a strong buyer, okay, in this zone. That means that when you buy, okay, you will put your stop loss somewhere here, right? The price hit that zone, hit all the stop loss. That means that when you buy, your stop loss will be a sell order. Okay, so from that sell order, big boys bought. Big boys bought means there is a lot of order flow from this zone. Okay, I have a completely separated video on YouTube. Just 2 days ago I posted. It's called the Beat the Bank. You can watch that. You'll see exactly what do I mean by this kind of pattern. So once this candle formed, and then what did I say that to myself, that look at the next one. You see, the next one is a deceleration. That means the sellers couldn't do anymore, and then the move started. Okay, so it is still continuing, and that's what it is. So why? This is the reason where in an important area of value, direction is up, and when timing comes with experience. Is there any news release next hour or next day? Is this weekend? Is this the starting of the week? This is the answer of when you need this, all of this, then you become a consistently independent, confident trader. Until that, you need to keep learning, and if you want to learn from me, go to the website, link in the description. So this is one with Gbpusd. Hopefully that this kind of, see, no one will give you this kind of education, guys and girls. You can visit everywhere. You see USD CHF, as I told you. Look at this one here. This is Forex Wizard. Okay, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. See USD CHF now pushing high like that. Okay, USD CNHS after this doji, if this one doji, I will be opening a buy position on USD CNHS, and I'll share with you this one as well. Okay, looks like it's a strongly bullish USD CNHS. Where do you read current system? Okay, Anita, silver please. Okay, we'll look at it. Silver, Anita asked for a silver. Why you don't like gold? Gold is more expensive than silver, isn't it? Anyway, you ask for, we'll look at it. I'll give you both gold and silver both. Okay, so let me finish this list, and then I'll go to the silver and gold. I can hear you, thank you. USD CAD please. Hello sir, please. CHF JPY, CAD JPY, dollar, yen, all bullish. We'll look at it again. Good day sir. Gold please. Yeah, we'll look at it. NZD USD and JPY negative rates. Yeah. JMAT, what do you think about US 30 USD 30 minutes chart? I am a seller. Okay, entertainment TV, euro dollar, we'll look at it. And is bullish. Very good, and very good. A is bullish. No one answered, only one N answered, so I saw that. Very good. We'll talk about it again. Euro dollar, entertainment TV, very good. I always wait for third candle for confirmation on price section. Very good sir, you are the best. Thank you. I love you too. Pure FXS, I love you. Dizzy, it's okay. Liquidity hunt, very good. Liquidity grab. I've been trading Forex about 15 years. Very good. Dizzy, still euro dollar please. You're trading 15 years, means you are very good trader. I really love to see everybody becoming like this 15 years 20 years of experienced trader, and then we can you can make the life that you want. And ZD CAD is now pushing high, pushing low, as I told you. And ZD CAD, you see, so Aussie, okay, AUD and ZD is looks like that. This one now creating a strong bullish candle. Okay, AUD and ZD, this price is really historically high. Okay, and AUD and ZD, there is a lot of AUD and ZD. You see the price grab the liquidity from here. Okay, it's a nicely bullish market, guys and girls. Okay, let's go long with AUD and ZD. Long with AUD and ZD, stop loss below this low. Okay, take profit 1 to 2. Okay, so this one is with AUD and ZD. Okay, this is the trade that it's for educational purpose only. We are opening this AUD and ZD trade, bullish. This candle is going to close after 30 minutes. Looks like that this is going to be a bullish engulfer. I think that after that AUD and ZD will continue to rise. So this trade is a bullish trade. Okay, let me open AUD and ZD trade. Let me see AUD and ZD. Okay, let me send it to our VIP members. AUD and ZD trade. VIP. Okay. Buy AUD and ZD. At 1.11623 SL at 1.1139. Sell at 1.1139. How many people stop loss? So this one is 20, around 23 people stop loss, 23 pip SL. Okay, so I send this trade signal to our VIP members. Now let me open my own trade and then we'll talk more. Okay, let me see AUD and ZD. AUD and ZD. Long instant, my stop loss here, take profit at 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Okay, we can take 1 to 3 because I think that it might go up a lot. Let's first keep 1 to 2 and then we'll extend if I see that the price is really showing a very good move. Okay, so AUD and ZD bullish. Okay, we have opened the trade. So first I send to my VIP members, then I open this trade, and I think that this is my opinion. I could be wrong. That's why I manage my risk to minimum 1%, a maximum 1%. Okay, so I keep my risk to 1%. I have opened a trade on AUD and ZD, and the same trade, let me show you the screenshot that I have sent. Same trade I have sent to our VIP member. Let me show you the screenshot first of all. Okay, so today we have opened 2 trade in our VIP members. Let me show you now both of them, both of the trade that I have sent to our VIP members. So one is USD CHF. We opened at 0.9774. Let me see what's happening with USD CHF now. Currently we are in profit. And another trade just we opened AUD and ZD. Okay, with 1.1163. This is the price. Buy. Okay. A stop loss here, take profit here, 23 people stop loss. So this one we have opened with AUD and ZD 1 to 2. We might extend the profit target if I see the breakout is stronger. At the same time, I would suggest you, I would request you, never take a big risk in a single trade, no matter how good the trade is. At any point, it could go in the wrong direction. So that's why I suggest all of you to do proper risk management. You see USD CHF now going the trade in our direction. So let me put the mark here. This is Forex Wizard. Smash the like button now. Long. Okay, Forex Wizard does everything in live in front of everyone. Okay, this is the confidence of Forex Wizard. Very few can do like that. Very few have that confidence to show the direct trade signal and at the same time trading in front of everyone in this live stream and taking the challenge of either losing or winning. Okay, people don't want to feel that embarrassment if they lose. I don't care. I'm a trader. I could be wrong, I could be right, but I always keep a high risk to reward ratio. That's why I'm such a confident and successful trader. And you have to be like that. Okay, it's not about trading, it's about who you are, what's your confidence to create the life that you want to create. Okay, if you want to be successful trader, full-time trader, that is the opportunity that providing Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn my strategy and to grow with Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Then you can think of joining, the link in the description. So let me give this one. So we have this one, yeah, that. So this one is with USD CHF we have already opened, and now we have opened another one, AUD NZD, and I think that I sincerely believe that AUD NZD also will be a winning trade. Let's see what happened. We have managed the risk always 1%, and yeah, that's the thing that you always keep in mind. That, let me see the USD CNH. So USD CNH looks like bullish, but I'm not going to open any more trade because I don't want to mess up millions of trade. I have already opened one trade on USD CHF, one trade on AUD NZD. So that's the end of the story for today. Let's see how they are going, and then tomorrow, or maybe after we get further opportunity, then we'll open another trade. So let's see. Yeah, things looks going very well. GBP, JPY, NZD USD. Okay, some of you have requested NZD USD. I would see NZD CAD. You see the NZD CAD looks like a bearish, and we might see a bigger breakout on NZD CAD. Okay, I will say that NZD CAD is bearish than even USD CAD, because USD and NZD is in similar strength, but looks like that USD CAD is stronger than even USD. Okay, so NZD CAD is bearish. But one thing I am a bit confused about, the NZD CAD is approaching this monthly support, so we might see a reaction. That's why I'm not now doing on NZD CAD. Better I stay on AUD NZD and USD Swiss franc. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. That let me see what you guys and girls are thinking about this news. Bullish or bearish? News bullish or bearish? Okay, so what do you mean by bullish or bearish? I'm okay, made good money, but I have had a lot of lessons too on the web. Very good. Yeah, that's the main thing on trading. Gbpusd Euro USD, sir. Yeah, we'll look at it. Euro AUD, sir, please can you give me an opinion? Euro AUD looks to me that moving in a sideway. Okay, I'm not giving any opinion at the point. Euro AUD, it is going up and down, because Euro and AUD both looks stronger. So when you see both stronger or both weaker, the price moves in a sideway. USD CHF, thank you, sir. You are a godsend. Thank you. Pure FX, everybody is godsend. You are also godsend. But don't keep too much trust on me, okay? And then you might blow your account. So never put too much trust on me. Just take my opinion, but use your own opinion at the same time. In the meantime, I need to turn on this one. Keep in mind that everything comes with as an opinion. So Michael Obi, yes sir, losing a cheap lesson how not next time, that's why your stop losses. Yeah, very good, sir. Which currency pair you trade most? Expert says trade only one currency pair. Studio says that, sir, which currency pair you trade most? Expert says trade one currency pair. I don't I trade almost all currency pair. Some people think that they should trade only one currency pair. It actually comes to everyone's personal opinion. Some people think that they should trade one currency pair. That's completely fine. Some people think that they can trade multiple currency pair. I think that that's also fine. It depends on actually what kind of trader you are. Sometimes people think that, okay, if they trade one currency pair, they know everything, support, resistance, everything. Some people think that if they trade multiple currency pairs, then they have more trading opportunity. I respect both opinion, and yeah, I respect both opinion. Euro USD up or down, please. Euro USD moving in a sideways. Currently Euro looks little bit of bullish, guys. Euro looks little bit of bullish, but I can't say it's going bullish or bearish. We might see the next one coming down or maybe going up. So euro dollar, to be honest, I don't have any direction yet until tomorrow news release. So tomorrow during this live session, we'll see this news is releasing, and that is where we can find a trading opportunity. I will suggest all of you who are trading euro against any currency pair except Eurojpy not to trade until tomorrow news release, and then you can find a good trading opportunity. Okay, because euro, there will be a news release, and that is where you can find a really good trading opportunity after the news release. But for now, I will say that I'm not gonna trade euro. Instead, I open a trade on a USD and USD CHF. Let's see how that goes on. Sir, can you do analysis on WTA, please? Yeah, euro USD up or down, I have already discussed it. Let's see US oil, and that could be the last for today. US oil bullish. Okay, looks like bullish. It's a bullish price action, guys and girls. US oil is bullish all the time. Let me look at the monthly. You see, this is the monthly time frame, and this is a bullish price action. I think that it might break all of this high. It might cross 2008's high. There is a high on 2008. This is the 2008's price. Weekly, it's a bullish market. Daily, it's a bullish market. Okay, so US oil without any question is bullish. The question is, where can you buy from? You need to wait for a support and resistance. I think that even this candlestick, after closing, if it closes like that, we might find an opportunity to buy US oil. Okay, so that's it for today. I sincerely believe that this session was helpful to you guys and girls. If you find value in this live trading session, don't forget to smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. At the same time, if you want to learn my strategies, then you can visit our website, a link in the description. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow in the same time in this live session. Don't miss out any of the part, because tomorrow there will be news release on euro. Both of these news releases I'll be covering in this live session. And as you have seen today, I have just entered a trade on AUD NZD in front of you. Tomorrow, if I find another opportunity, I'll be entering another trade on in front of you in this live session. And if you want more, then go to the description area. There is an opportunity to join for everyone in this VIP team and learn my strategies. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, happy trading. Very stay always very careful and manage your risk. Don't blow your account. Thank you.